What are the best stocks to invest in? Find out now. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about finance, investing, and everything in between. If you're ready to grow your wealth and make informed investment decisions, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular questions: what are the best stocks to invest in? Let's break it down. 1. General factors to consider. First, let's address what makes a stock a good investment. It's not about picking random companies. Instead, you want to look for 1. Companies with a strong track record of revenue and profit growth. 2. Stocks in industries with long-term growth potential, like tech or renewable energy. 3. Businesses that have competitive advantages, think brand loyalty, patents, or market dominance. Remember, no investment is risk-free, so research is key. 2. Examples of high-performing stocks. Now, let's take a look at some examples of stocks that have performed well in the past and made their investors a lot of money. Apple, AAPL. Apple is a household name. Over the last 20 years, its stock price has grown by over 4,000%. Why? Because it innovates consistently, from the iPhone to wearables like the Apple Watch. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon has revolutionized e-commerce and cloud computing. From the early 2000s to today, Amazon stock has seen exponential growth, making early investors wealthy. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla shook up the auto industry with its electric vehicles. Its stock skyrocketed as more countries pushed for green energy solutions. Microsoft, MSFT. Microsoft is a leader in software and cloud computing. Consistent innovation and smart acquisitions have made this stock a cornerstone for many portfolios. Look at these charts. This is why having patience and a long-term vision pays off. 3. Sectors to watch today: solar panels, healthcare, and technology scenes. Now, which sectors should you keep an eye on moving forward? 1. Technology. With AI and automation growing rapidly, tech is still a hot sector. 2. Green energy. As the world transitions to renewables, companies in solar, wind, and battery storage are set to grow. 3. Healthcare and biotech. Advances in medicine and aging populations make this a steady growth sector. You don't have to guess which stock will be the next big winner. Consider ETFs or index funds to diversify. 4. A word on strategy. One last thing. Focus on long-term investing. Timing the market is tough, but staying in the market often leads to success. Diversify your portfolio, avoid emotional trading, and remember, patience is key. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on investing and personal finance. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite stock or sector right now? Until next time, happy investing. Subscribe. Like. Share.